Hi beginners, I am your host Goldie. Our today's recipe is very easy, bread potato snacks. Maybe when you were a child, your mother done this. It is very quick, fast recipe, very tasty and every child like this recipe. So very simple and you want to do this recipe, let's come to the kitchen and see which ingredients we require for that. For this recipe, first I make this breadcrumbs and these are breadcrumbs. Then I boil two potatoes medium size and grate them. Now all these are the ingredients which I use in this recipe. Cornstarch. This and this is cheese, mozzarella cheese. This is salt. This is chaat masala, fine cut onion, dried coriander seeds, green chili, fine cut green chilies, red chilies, and these are again breadcrumbs which I use after the recipe. So end of the recipe, not after the recipe. End of the recipe I use this. So let's we start our recipe. For first, we take this breadcrumbs in our plate and add this grated potatoes. Now dried coriander seeds, green chilies, red chili flakes, fine cut onion. Now we have to add the salt according to this, and this is chaat masala I use. Now what I do, I mix all this and make a ball from this ingredients. So afterwards making a dough I will show you. So I mix it well and now I want to use a little bit water to make a soft dough. So after making soft dough I will show you. I use that much amount of water. If this water require, then I will use it again. This small cup of full water require for this dough. So my crumbs are less in quantity, so I require less water. So you see and how much water you require, you can use it. Now I make a balls from this. After preparing the ball, I will show you. Now what I do, I make ball and I fill each ball with cheese. See, like this. I prepare this type of the shape of this ball and then add cheese inside it. This is mozzarella cheese and then close the ball. Use oil to close the ball. And then we have to round them on palms. Then whatever the cheese inside it, that gets comes into the center of the ball. Now balls are prepared. So next step is we have to prepare cornstarch batter. But we don't want to prepare this batter very slurry batter. We have to prepare this batter thick. So I use this plate to make a batter and add half of the cornstarch in it and then add water. We have to prepare a thick batter and not slurry batter. If you don't want to use cornstarch, then you can use rice flour for this. Rice flour also is a good option for this. So I require little bit. Now this batter gets thick. That much amount of thick which I require for these balls. This type of batter. And our batter is ready. Now we have to start our recipe. We have to deep fry these balls. So for that I lit the gas. Now I spread all these crumbs in this plate. And first we coat this ball in this batter and now coat this. So all breadcrumbs cover this ball. So this type of ball I prepare and will show you in between. If the oil is hot, then we are going to try. We are not try. We are directly deep frying our balls. See, I coated this ball like this, and then keep it in a side, and then start to cover with this breadcrumbs. See, it is nicely covered, and now we have to make it like this. So every ball is nicely covered. So this is the system. Again, the last one I will show you like this. Now this batter is over. I want to make complete this batter, and now we have to use these again breadcrumbs. So this work is over, and again we have to dusting all our balls with cornstarch. That means balls gets totally dried, and then we have to fry them nicely. So I and now you have to cover this ball in this. Make a dusting of each ball. See, it is totally dried. See, and now we wait 1 minute more to heat the oil. Very nicely coated. Oil is hot and first ball we have to put in the oil and put oil on this ball like this. My gas is on high flame, not low flame. So in this way, if you coat this ball twicely, then they will not stuck on the bottom of the oil pan. This is the trick. Otherwise, sometimes if they are wetty with slurry and all other things, then they stuck the bottom of the oil pan. Now I will deep fried all this ball and will show you. So our golden crispy balls are ready and I will show you how this ball crispy. See, now we have to cut one ball in middle. And you see cheese is here. How nicely cheese cooked inside this ball. So if you like this bread potato golden crispy balls recipe and like it to eat, so please share, like, subscribe my channel, share my recipe to your friends and your relatives. And it is my slogan always: prepare, eat, offer and pass nice comments to your Goldie. Thanks for watching my recipe very patiently. And I want to give you two tips. First, you have to coated ball in a thick batter and then dusting with corn starch. Otherwise, what happened? This ball gets burst in oil, and don't make small size of balls. You have a problem when you serve it. You have to serve it 2 to 3 to 4 balls at a time. These two big size ball you can offer them easily, and small balls normally burst in a oil because cheese get cooked and it's spread inside. So thanks for watching my recipe. Thanks again.